If a person asks what life is, I answer that there is no truth in life. If someone insists life is truth, I tell him his burden is heavy. If he says that life is fun, I tell him he is dreaming a fun dream. If he complains of life being weary, I tell him to lay down his useless greed. If he speaks of the futility of life, I tell him neither life nor death exists. If he declares that life is wrong, I tell him he has greed and attachments to life. If he says life is fragrant, I tell him he is near the world of truth. And if he says he is scared of life, I tell him that he is living his life well. If he asserts life is suffering, I tell him to eliminate himself. And if he says that life is happiness, I tell him that it is but a bubble. If someone asks how to live life well, I tell him to live a life completely without self. If he asks what kind of life is true, I tell him that a true life is one that truth lives. Such a life is truth itself. If he asks how to make his life a true one, I tell him I hold that key.